Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, welcome to Textbook JIV CIB Prep. So, guys, one question from all of you about the provisional scorecard and mark sheet for your JIB May 2025 examination, right? So, when it comes to the subject-wise provisional scorecard, they generally release that particular one within 3 days of the examination, right? That means जो अभी recently आपका आई RBWM का पेपर हुआ है तो उसका स्कोर कार्ड यू विल सी बाय टुडे और टुमारो, ठीक है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द आपका ओवरऑल प्रोविजनल मार्कशीट एज वेल एज योर final certificate of JIB examination. So for that particular one, it generally take around 40 to 45 days for your final provisional mark sheet for all the four subjects, and after that particular one you will see around 15 to 20 days for your mark sheet. And now the question is from by when they'll start like basically that increment will start from which date. So basically that increment start from the date of certification. That means आपका जो प्रोविजनल स्कोर कार्ड रिलीज होगा, मार्कशीट रिलीज होगा आपके लास्ट एग्जामिनेशन के बाद, उसके बाद आपका जो सर्टिफिकेट ई सर्टिफिकेट रिलीज किया जाएगा. तो उस ई सर्टिफिकेट पे जो भी डेट आपका होगा उस डेट से लेके आपका इंक्रीमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ यू विल चेक दैट पर्टिकुलर वन. So this is the IIBF website itself. If you'll come to this particular one, so here you can go for the examination and courses, ठीक है. So यहाँ पे आपको you will see the provisional scorecard, ठीक है. So now two things आपका provisional scorecard for subject wise, that is for IAN, IFS, AFM and PPB, that is already available. And for RBWM, it will be live by today or tomorrow. Okay, so first thing. And for your final mark sheet, आपका provisional mark sheet will release after 40-45 days of your last examination. Now, last examination means there are some centers जहाँ पे अभी IIBF के द्वारा कुछ examination conduct नहीं किए गए थे for AFM and PPB. So they are going to conduct that particular one आपका. सो उसके बाद अराउंड 40 डेज आप मान के चले, उसके 10 to 15 डेज के बाद दे रिलीज योर ई सर्टिफिकेट ऑन योर registered email ID. So provisional mark sheet you will get from this particular one, but for your provisional for your e-certificate, that will be communicated through your mail itself, right? So mail पे you'll, if they'll provide you a link for the आपका auto verification and all, ठीक है, e-signature and all, ठीक है. So once that will come, then whatever the date mentioned on that particular certificate, वहां से आपका इंक्रीमेंट लगना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो लेट्स से द डेट इज आपका any date, let's say it is 1st of August 2025. So from 1st August, let's say आपका सर्टिफिकेशन आपको 10 डेज 15 डेज के बाद भी मिलता है, तो भी आपका रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव में यू विल गेट दैट इंसेंटिव फ्रॉम योर बैंक इटसेल्फ. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू सबमिट दैट सर्टिफिकेट विद योर HRMS, ठीक है, आपके HR को. एंड यू हैव टू टेक अप्रूवल फ्रॉम योर ब्रांच मैनेजर एंड यू विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग बेनिफिट ऑफ your increment itself, right? Now one thing, those who clear the JIB examination in May 2025, one suggestion to all of you guys, start preparing for your CAIB examination, ठीक है. So see, now CAIB examination will be conducted in your December 2025 examination, and you already have these particular date. So these are the registration. So registration will start from 2nd September, and your examination are scheduled in the month of end of November. Then all examination are in the month of आपका December itself, ठीक है. So my recommendation is to all of you, because as you face like so many difficulties in your May 2025 examination, the paper level was आपका very tough compared to the past year papers and all, ठीक है. उसका एटलीस्ट आपका 5 टाइम टफर पेपर यू आर गोइंग टू फेस इन योर CAIB examination. And it is a game जहाँ पे with only like relying only on the MCQs part is dangerous things. So what I can recommend is start preparing things on regular basis. You can pick any one or two subject if you are doubtful. So I'll recommend start with the BFM subject, because one of the toughest paper from your CIB examination. Okay? Along with BFM, you can start reading about BRBL, full of banking and finance laws, and one elective paper. Elective paper, how to adopt elective paper or others things, I'll come up with a dedicated paper, session, or even what should be your strategy toward the CIB examination. that also I'll provide you a dedicated video. And if you are having any query related to JIB examination or CIB examination or any other IIBF certification examination where I can help you, so please do mention into the comment section, or else there is a form given in the description box. Please do fill that particular form. Our team will connect with you. If you want to connect with us also, so they'll arrange your call, so we will try to help you out with those particular problems as well, right? So regular basis पे थोड़ा थोड़ा contribute करते रहिए and stay tuned on this particular channel. We are going to deliver you so many things for your JIB, for CIB, or as well as for your certification examination. All right, guys. So all the very best to your preparation, and see you in the next video. Thank you.